Welcome to the Revit tutorials. So today we are going to see the Topo surface, right? So for that we will open our Revit software. So now open this. So we have to go into the new file, or else we can open the previous files also, right? So we have opened our Revit software. So now we have to go to our units, type U and enter. So here we have to select meters, OK and OK. So all has changed to meters, right? So now we will type WA for our wall. So we will select some basic one. So we're going to select rectangle over here. So I'm drawing a house like this. So then here we have to go to the roof by extrusion. So go to roof, simply click on S. So now we have to pick this, right, and select 5. So it is too much, right? So we'll take 0.5. So after that, select over here. You can see like this. So this is our some house. We will let this house like this only. So we have to draw this, right? So for drawing our side plans, we have to go to here side. So right here we can see the surface. Now go to meshing inside. So here we have all this, right? So for this we have all the components. We go to the Topo surface tool. So here we can see the placing the point, right? So we will outline this, right? So like this. So the elevation is set to 0. So we can also change this, right? Don't worry about the shape, right? So we have drawn our outline. So you can again place points or not, and modify. So if you want to add any points in between, if you want to add plane, we can add outside, right? So we're going to place. So it is of minus 200. So before that, we can go to manage project units. Go to here, centimeters. Okay and okay. So now we can go to massing. So this elevation and minus 200, right? So now I'm going to select like this. We go to 3D. You can see here. So here you can see. You can see. Go to realistic. So here we can see, right? So right. So we will delete these ones. So we have to place anywhere. If you want to place, we have to place at the outside, right? So we will go to our side plan, right? So we want to place any point anywhere we can place, but we have to place it outside. We can select this individual point and we can select the elevation also. So we select 300. So we will select this as 100. 200. You can have this 100. You can also have this elevation also 200, right? You to place a point and select 290 and place here, here. So again, like this, we can go to this 160, like here and here. So you can go like that, right? We'll go to 30 centimeters. Go away around the house. So, right? So like this, we can add our massings. So if you go to 3D, so we can see, so see that it has lifted, right? If you go to shade it, you can see here. We'll go back to our side plan. So we can add over here some few points like this. So minus 230. So however we want, we can add all these, right? Can add some 60. Can add over here, right? So we can play around however we want, right? So if we go around here, so we can say like this. So it can be like we can see some weird over here, right? So select 80, right? You can also place all the elevations, right? So we can also add some font like on this 100, can go like that, right? So like this we can do this, right? You can add some fonts, right? Minus 30. So add over here. So if we go to 3D, you can see over like this, right? Some annotations here, right? So we can also create, right, like this. So it will add the contour lines, the Revit will automatically add this, right? You can add the fonts, right? If you go to 1000, so like this we can add this, right? So like this we can see, right? So it is too much, right? So we can test 500. So we have this. Go to site plan. So it will add all these contour lines, right? 3D. So here we can see. We again go to sites. Go to place your points. You can go to minus 300. So like this you can make contours. So like this we have placed everything. So go to 3D. So we can select like this, right? So this is how we can see the contour over here. So if we go to like this and like this, so we can select this and select. Here we have categories. So you can go to materials. You can go to grass, right? Okay. So if we go to, so here we can see, right? So here we can see this is our original grass, right? So like this we can add our topography, right? So if we go to our annotate, manage, go view, visibility graphic. If we go to here topography, here we have the secondary contours. So we can select this. So if you write any pattern, so it will show, right? So like this we can give a topography to our structure. Thank you.